Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art class. In today's class, our topic is meaning of beads making. Our topic is meaning of beads making. A bead is a small piece of stone, glass, shell, bone, wood, plastic, decorative objects that are threaded with other to form a necklace or rosary. Roman Catholic or Misbaha Muslim in a variety of shapes and sizes. Uses of beads. It is used for number one, prayer, devotion and worship, e.g., Rosary for Roman Catholic and Misbaha for Muslim. Number two, decoration. Number three, fashion as part of dressing. Number four, culture as part of traditional wedding, cultural outfits, etc. Number five, counting lesson, abacus for arithmetic and counting materials for kids. Materials for bead making. Number one, bone. Number two, shell. Number three, coral. Number four, horn. Number five, ivory. Number six, seeds. Number seven, stone. Number eight, metals. Number nine, wood. Number 10, pottery. Number 11, glass. Number 12, alloys. Number 13, crystals. Number 14, plastic. And number 15, straw. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.